Hello everyone, in this video I'll be solving Cambridge IGCSE Information and Communication Technology paper 2 for February-March 2022. We have the files copied here. First we need to create the evidence document. For that, open evidence.rtf. I have opened the evidence document here, and we need to save this as M21 evidence followed by your candidate number. So let's save this. It should be saved as M21 evidence followed by your candidate number, and save it as Word document. And you need to insert your candidate details in the header. So insert header. You can give your name, center number and candidate number. Next, open the file M21 storage.rtf. This is the document production task. So open storage. The page is set to A4 portrait and 2 cm margins. You are not supposed to make any changes. 3 paragraph styles are already created. Save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using as upgrade. So we need to save this inside your folder. The name is upgrade and the format is Word document. Evidence 1, screenshot evidence of the document you saved in your work area. So this is the file. Make sure the format is clearly shown as Word document. Take a screenshot. And that is your evidence 1. Next, remove any preset page breaks in the document. So we have to make sure all the page breaks are removed. For viewing the page breaks, go to this. You have to click on this show hide paragraphs marks. Click on this show so that it will show all the paragraph marks here. And if you scroll down, you can see the page break. So here we have a page break. You can click on this and give backspace so that it is removed. So all the page breaks are removed. Now you can hide the paragraph marks by clicking here. Next, place in the header your name, center number and candidate number right aligned, and in the footer automated page numbers center aligned. So go to insert. First let's insert header. Remove these two. We have to give name, center number and candidate number right aligned, so on the right side. Now we have to insert footer, and in the footer in the center we have to insert the page number. So in the center, go to page number. You can choose current position and click on this. So the page number is inserted in the center. Make sure header is right aligned, footer is center aligned, and no other placeholders or text is shown. Next, create the following paragraph style, basing it on the default paragraph style, HD title. So we need to create a new style. For that, on the home tab you can see the styles here. Click on the scroll bar, click on create style, HD title, click on modify. It should be based on the default paragraph style. So default paragraph style means we have to make sure it is based on normal. So select normal here. Now the settings are serif 28 center, bold and italic. So serif, for that choose Times New Roman. The size is 28, center aligned, bold, italic. The line spacing is single and the paragraph spacing is 0 and 0 before and after. So go to Format, Paragraph. The line spacing is single. Spacing before and after, it is given as 0 and 12. Make it 0 for both. Take a screenshot evidence to show the settings for the title style. So make sure you take the screenshot of all these settings. Now we can give OK and OK. This is your evidence 2. Now the style is applied here because my cursor was on this paragraph. Just convert it into HD body style as before. At the start of the document, enter the title, upgrade your data storage. So at the beginning of the document, you have to type upgrade your data storage. Make sure the title is 100% accurate. Apply the HD title style to this text. So select the text, HD title. Select the subheading which drive works for you and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending a slimmer drive in a 9.5 millimeter space. So you need to find that paragraph. So go to find or Control F and just give 9.5. So this is the paragraph which ends with a slimmer drive in a 9.5 centimeter. So till here we have to set the columns. So go to from here which drive works for you till this paragraph we need to select, and it should be set to 2 columns of equal width with a 1.5 centimeter spacing. Go to the layout, columns, more columns. You need to select 2 columns and the spacing is 1.5. It is already equal width. Give OK. Next, apply bullets to the text from mechanical drives till SSDs. You should use a square shaped bullet. So this is the bullet. Right click. Sorry, go to the bullets and numbering here. Select square. Make sure the bullets are indented 1.5 centimeter from the left margin. So right click, adjust list indent. The bullet position you can give 1.5. Give OK. The list is in single line spacing with no space before or after each line. So right click, paragraph, single line spacing and no spacing before or after. So give 0 for both. There is a 6-point space after the last item in the list. So select the last item only and right click, paragraph. After you have to give 6 point. Next, the paragraph style HD subhead has already been created and applied. Modify the subhead paragraph so only the following formatting is applied. So we need to modify according to the given properties. So go to HD subheading, right click, modify. The font style should be serif. The size is 12 and center aligned. Serif. The size is 12, center aligned, and italic, bold, and all caps. So only those styles should be applied. Remove underline, italic, bold, and all caps. So go to format, font. You can give here all caps so that all the text is capped. Give OK. Then the line spacing is single, space before is 0 and after is 9. Again go to format, paragraph, line spacing single, before is 0 and after is 9. Now we need to take a screenshot of the settings. Give OK and OK. That is your evidence 3. So now you can see all the subheads are updated according to the settings. Next, place a text box at the top of the paragraph that starts "if you can physically upgrade." So we need to place a text box. This is the paragraph "if you can physically upgrade" on the right side. So go to insert, text box, draw text box. Draw the text box on the right side. Align the text box to the top of the paragraph and the right margin. Wrap the text to make sure that no text is hidden behind the text box. So to wrap it is already on the right side. To wrap it, just select the text box. You can see wrap text here. Set it to square so that the text is wrapped around the text box. Now locate the file extra.txt and place the contents of this file into the text box. So this is the file extra. Copy all the text, Ctrl A and C. Then you need to paste it inside the text box. So I have pasted. Now format this text as HT body paragraph style. So select this text and make it HT body. And make it bold. Make sure that all the text is visible and the words are not split over the lines in the text box. So we need to make it bold and make sure all the text is visible. So increase the now you can see all the text are completely visible and no text is split, or the no words are split on 2 lines. Next, format the text box with a light gray background and a 3 to 4 point thick line. So select the text box. On shape format, you have shape fill. Give a light gray shading and go to shape outline. You have weight. You can set the thickness to 3 point. So that is done. Next, locate the table in the document. Set 1 point black internal and external grid lines. So this is the table. Select the table. Now we have to give all borders with internal and external grid lines with 1 point thickness. So you can click here. This is the border. Go to borders and shading. Give all borders, internal as well as external, and the width can be set to 1 point. Give OK. Delete the entire column and contents with the heading Notes. So click inside the column Notes, right click, delete cell. You can give delete entire column. Give OK. apply the HT table paragraph style to all the text in the table. So select the table, HT table style. Set the table width to 15 centimeters. So right click on the table, go to table properties. The width, preferred width, you have to give 15 centimeters. Center align the table within the margins, and the alignment should be center. So make it center. The width is 15 and alignment is center. Give OK. Make sure that words are not split over lines when the text is wrapped. All grid lines are displayed. There is a 6-point space after the table. So to give a 6-point space after the table, you can select the paragraph after the table, right click, and you can give 6-point space before the paragraph so that there is a space after the table. Give OK. Import the image ssd.jpg and place it in the paragraph beginning the M2 format. So you can see M2 format, this is the paragraph. So keep your cursor here, insert the image, insert pictures. This is SSD, insert. Rotate the image 180 degrees. So select the image, right click, size and position. You can see rotation here, make it 180 degree. Give OK. Format the image so that it is resized to half the column width with its aspect ratio maintained. It is aligned to the right of the column and the top of the paragraph, and the text wraps around the image. So now this is the image. We have to reduce the width so that it is almost half the width of the column. So you can reduce it this way, approximately half of the width, and this should be towards the right. So give wrap text square, and it should be on the right side and align with the paragraph which starts the M2 format. Spell check and proofread the document. We have to just check the spelling. So go to review, spelling and grammar. Go for the spelling check. This is unit of measurement, so you can ignore all. And this is also a technical term, ignore. So spelling is checked. Next, make sure the list and table are not split over columns or pages. There are no widows or orphans. Original page break has been removed. So if you check this, you can see the table is split across the pages. So we need to bring the table together to the next page. So the table is together on the next page. There are no widows or orphans. To make sure there are no widows or orphans, right click, paragraph. You can see line and page breaks and click on widow orphan control. Next, the original page break has been removed, that we have already removed. There are no blank pages. Paragraph styles have been applied. There is a 6-point space after the table and the list. That also we have done. Save the document using the same file name and same format. So you can save this document and print the document. So you can go to file, print and select your printer from here. So this is the required document. Next task is the database task, which will be uploaded in another video. You can find the link in the description.